has had a rather lengthy history in front of this court. And now the problem is that what did I do? I issued a warrant for his arrest based on his recontacting complaining witness. Is that what happened?
I understood it, Judge, is that he had an issue out of Wise County.
Yes, there was a Wise County case, cocaine possession. And I don't know what.
So he got locked up on the Wise County warrant, Your Honor, and then they didn't extradite him, so El Paso let him go.
Okay. What is your understanding, Ms. Ritchie? What are we looking at here?
Judge, that was my understanding as to what the issue was.
What do we have? A bench warrant outstanding?
Yeah, I believe there is the bench warrant for the new case, and then probably a bench warrant for the probation. The probation case is a 2017, and it might be a misdemeanor.
So the one new offense is the Wise County case. And what's the new case in El Paso?
He doesn't have a new case in El Paso, Judge. He's got a 2017. I think it's an unlawful carrying of a weapon, but I believe it was reduced down to a misdemeanor. And then he's got a 2019 assault family violence, and we're just waiting for a resolution on the assault family violence. The family violence allegedly occurred on 7/2019, and I have a non-pros and, blah, 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 all that kind of business. I think the issue is somehow he got a case out of Wise County. They arrested him here and then let him go.
Well, part of his history is that he's failed to report in the past. Well, sometimes, let's see, May through April of 2018, he wasn't reporting. We tried to screen him for the Veterans Court. Did he go into the Veterans Court for a while?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Do you show anything on that, Ms. Ortiz?
I'm checking, Your Honor, to see if he did.
I can't imagine that he did.
Yeah, it looks like he did go to the Veterans Court, Your Honor.
Oh my gosh! Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, but what's not good is apparently he didn't succeed in the Veterans Court. I think I remember him from that, where he just didn't want to be in it anymore. It was too many terms and conditions. I don't know. I don't believe he was successful over there.
That certainly doesn't sound like my client, Your Honor.
All right, maybe it was someone else.
Could be. I know this gentleman is 100% disabled American vet. I think even over 100%. He's medically retired as an E5. He was a sergeant. So he served our country. Like I said, Judge, I don't know why he's not online right now. I don't quite understand.
I don't either. But with him not appearing again, I'm not going to withdraw the warrant.
I understand.
I mean, we can always have another hearing after he's incarcerated, and then we can discuss it again. But I haven't heard anything here that would make me withdraw the warrant.
Other than the fact that he did send me a screen capture, Judge, that said he was in the waiting room for the 34th. So I'm just wondering if he had any type of issue or anything with his phone that he can't log back on, because he wasn't thumbing his nose at the court. He did log on, and then he had an issue with his attorney. So I can probably take responsibility for that, Judge, because, like I said, I'm not supposed to be working today. But this client was, he was kind of upset. He called our office, and I said, you know what, I'll do what I can. So I had my assistant give me the login information, and so I don't see this as being intentional, Judge.
All right. I mean, you don't see it as like, if he was here in the courtroom and we started talking about his case and he just decided to walk out of the courtroom.
No, like I said, I've got a screen capture from him that he was in the waiting room.
Yeah, no, we would know he was there, but then he left. And-
I have no idea why. Maybe he's only got one phone, so he had to call me.
Well, I mean, I'm going to keep the warrant in place until I, hear what happened. And we'll see how it develops. All right.
All right. Under the circumstances, I understand your position, Your Honor.
We might hear a reasonable explanation of why he left, or why he's not there, because, I need to see that he is available, since we have had trouble in the past with him in terms of not appearing. So that's troublesome.
Well, like I said, if he was here earlier, I don't know why in the world he wouldn't be on now, unless he had some kind of issue with his phone.
Well, that's very possible. All right. Well, maybe we'll be able to find that out by next week sometime. All right. Well, very good. If we need to have another hearing, you let me know.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All
Thank
right.
you, everybody. You guys have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Off live, Judge?
Yes.